Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a lawn care website. So let's get started. So go to wix.com and create an account. Now you will be redirected to a page something like this, and now click on create new site on the top right hand side. Now from the search bar search for lawn care, and now just choose lawn care service and click on continue. Now in here, first of all, enter your business name and your business address, and now click on continue. Now over here you can add your working hours, your staff members, or you can skip this for now and do this later. Over here you also can add services. So here they already have some services that lawn care websites offer. So if you see any one of them that you do offer, just check them. And if you don't see the services that you do offer, just click on create new service and add them over here. Now once everything is done, click on continue. Now on the left hand side you'll see a catalog, click on it. Now here you'll be able to see all the services that you've added, and to edit them just click on edit on the right hand side. From here you'll be able to change them completely. You'll be able to change the name, the tagline, the description, also the images being used, and also you can also change the payment method over here and also the price. You can also change the duration of the service. Now after that you have added all your services, on the left hand side you'll see a get paid option. Once you hover over it you'll see connect and setup, click on it. Now click on connect a payment method. Now depending on the country and the thing that you use for your payments, you will see different payment options. So here you can finish up setting your payment method. After you have done your payment method, on the left hand side go to setup, and now in here on the right hand side you'll see a design site, click on it. Now click on pick a template. Now it's best to choose the first two you see, as these are the most used and the best ones, so I'll just choose the first one. And now click on create a new site, and now in here you will be able to add your own personal touches to the website. And now to make any changes, just tap on the section you would like to make changes to. So for example, click on this image and go to change background, and you will be able to add a new image. And once you're done editing the website, just click on publish on the right hand side, and there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.